Have you ever found yourself immersed in the powerful charting tools and vibrant community of TradingView, only to wonder how to actually execute trades based on your analysis? It's a common question for many traders, new and experienced alike, which brokers seamlessly integrate with TradingView, allowing you to go from insightful analysis to live trading with just a few clicks. TradingView has revolutionized how traders visualize market data, develop strategies, and share ideas. Its intuitive interface, extensive array of indicators, and active social network make it an indispensable tool for millions worldwide. But let's be honest, the true power comes when you can directly act on your insights. That's where broker integration becomes crucial. Instead of flipping between platforms, you can analyze, strategize, and execute all within the familiar TradingView environment. This streamlined workflow saves time, reduces friction, and can even help you react faster to market movements. So, who are these brokers that offer this fantastic synergy? The list is quite comprehensive and continues to grow, as more and more brokers recognize the value of integrating with TradingView. It's not just about a simple connection. True integration means you can manage your orders, view your account balance, and monitor your positions directly from TradingView's trading panel. Some of the most prominent brokers that have embraced TradingView integration include Interactive Brokers. Known for their wide array of tradable assets and global market access, Interactive Brokers offers a robust connection, allowing you to trade stocks, futures, options, and forex directly from TradingView charts. This is a huge advantage for traders looking for diverse opportunities. Another popular choice is OANDA. If you're primarily focused on forex trading, OANDA provides a seamless experience with TradingView. They've even been recognized with TradingView's Broker of the Year award, highlighting their strong commitment to the platform's users. You can expect competitive spreads and reliable execution when trading forex through OANDA on TradingView. For those in the CFD and forex space, brokers like Pepperstone and Fusion Markets are excellent options. Pepperstone, a well-regulated broker with a global presence, allows direct trading through TradingView with their Razor accounts, offering tight spreads and low commissions. Fusion Markets, similarly, provides a strong integration for forex and CFD traders, emphasizing flexibility and access to various markets. Beyond these, other notable brokers that integrate with TradingView include Active Trades, FP Markets, Black Bull Markets, TradeStation, Webull, and Moomoo, among many others. The specific assets you can trade through TradingView will depend on the broker's offerings. Some specialize in forex, others in stocks and ETFs, and some provide a multi-asset experience covering a wide range of instruments like futures and cryptocurrencies. When choosing a broker that integrates with TradingView, consider a few key factors. Regulatory compliance. Ensure the broker is regulated by reputable financial authorities in your jurisdiction. Asset classes. Does the broker offer the instruments you intend to trade, forex, stocks, crypto, futures, etc.? Fees and spreads. Compare their commission structures, spreads, and any other associated costs. Account types. Some brokers might only offer TradingView integration with specific account types, like ECN or raw spread accounts. Customer support. Responsive and helpful customer service is always a plus. To find the most up-to-date and comprehensive list, always check TradingView's official website under their brokers section. They provide a detailed breakdown of integrated brokers, their offerings, and how to connect your account. This ensures you're getting accurate information directly from the source. Ultimately, having your broker connected to TradingView streamlines your trading process significantly. It empowers you to leverage TradingView's advanced charting and analysis capabilities while executing trades efficiently and effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.